Kushan Sarkar, you may go first.
Hi, Jaspreet. Yeah. My question is like there was a clipping on the television that showed that after 40th or 45th over, the stitches were coming off and the ball had become soft, and the commentator was saying, like we heard a lot about the SG ball. So uh, did uh, did it affect the bowlers that it became soft pretty early? The commentator was talking about it.
Look over here. The ball did become soft after a while, and when the wicket is on the flatter side and the bounce is less, so you are left with limited options. So we were trying to figure out what we can do with the limited things on hand at that time. But yeah, it was difficult when the ball becomes soft, even if it doesn't shine really well because of the new COVID rules that we can't use the saliva. So it's very difficult during that times to maintain the ball, and so yeah, it was part of the whole thing.
Sydney Kiran and Venkat Krishna.
Hi, Jaspreet, can you hear me?
Yes.
Right after lunch for that 1 hour, you guys applied a lot of pressure on England. The run flow was very limited, with just coming at 1 run per over, and the pressure was huge. But they both, Root and Don, simply battled out. After that, run stuck. So, was it really frustrating that you applied so much pressure on such a flat surface but just couldn't get the rewards?
Yep. When I think we bowled well in patches. We bowled really well in patches. We created a lot of pressure. Apart from the last session, we gave few extra runs that we wanted to. I think we gave 20, 30 runs more than what we wanted to. But yeah, this is how the game of cricket goes. So we'll look to do the same thing tomorrow, create more pressure, and hopefully more chances will be created.
Yes, Venkat.
Jaspreet, are you surprised how flatter the wicket is? Do you expect from the day you came here for the training session till now, how has the pitch changed? There is a bounce of 15 very clean.
Yeah, so I've not. This is my first match, so over here, uh, uh, it was on the flatter side. Not a lot of lateral movement was there on the ball, and the ball got scuffed up because the wicket was hard and dry. So yeah, it was a interesting first match for me over here. Yeah, so we are not trying to complain about how the wicket is. We are trying to figure out what are the options and how do we solve them. So we are looking at the options that are there at hand, and try to create chances and try to make as many chances as we can.
Yes, Varun Chetty and then Vivek Krishnan.
Hi, Jaspreet. My question is about particularly the body language. We heard Rishabh Pant on the stump mic telling fielders, especially the fielders in the infield, to keep their body language up to create an atmosphere. Do you feel like you guys were a little flat today in the field?
I think we were okay till the second session, but in the beginning of the last session, little bit here and there was there, because when there are a lot of incentives coming, when you take a lot of wickets, then the body language is automatically up. So yeah, sometimes in the heat it's difficult to keep the body language up, but yeah, after a while, I think we were okay, and then we were trying to put in a lot of effort and trying to create chances.
Yes, Vivek Krishnan.
Hello, Jaspreet. Jaspreet, I wanted to ask you about team selection. What was the rationale behind Kuldeep not being involved? Do you think a wrist spinner would have on day one been a bit more helpful, or what was it? Because Nadeem had just come into the squad. So.
Look, in hindsight, we can say a lot of things, and there'll be a lot of ifs and buts later on. But yeah, this was the team that we went up with, and we back each and every individual. So yeah, in hindsight, we can see this and that after the game. But right now, there's still a job to be done, and we are focusing on the things that we have to do and backing our players. So yeah, later on after the game, we could discuss about all of those things.
There's one question on Jet from Kajata. Playing in Australia with crowds and then playing first match here without the crowd, does that somewhere affect the morale on the field?
Look, it depends on individual to individual. For me, I don't need extra support or extra noise to push and motivate myself. For me, it doesn't really hamper me, but it depends on individual to individual. So yeah, that is a question to be answered by individuals.
Yes, Aaj Tak News. Yes, Aaj Tak News. Okay, Anuj Mishra from ANI.
Yesterday, Joe Root said that Pujara will be a huge wicket for cricket. So my question is, looking at how Root himself is batting, can we say his dismissal will be the first thing India will be looking him in the early morning tomorrow?
Look, every wicket is equally important for us. All wickets are equally important. We're not focusing on one particular individual. We've picked up 3 wickets today. Our main focus is to pick up 7 wickets, and we are focusing on that. Not a particular individual. They've got very good players in their team, so everybody gets equal respect, and everybody can take the game on their given day. So we are focusing on that. We are not focusing on one particular individual.
Khurram Abid.
Just you just mentioned that about the thing that without saliva to maintain the ball is a little bit of a challenge. How big a challenge is that, and what are the options available? And is it really tough on such kind of a flat wicket if you don't have that option?
So when the wicket is on the flatter side, I said because of the new COVID rules, there are very limited options to shine the ball. So in India, the ball gets roughed up, and to make the ball reverse, you'll have to make one side heavy. So sometimes with the sweat, it doesn't really, serve the purpose. You can't make one side heavy, and it doesn't really work that way. So, but this is the rules of the game right now, and we'll have to make do with what we have right now.
Yes, we'll take last few questions now. Amit Chakravarti followed by Deepak Raghav.
Sorry, can you repeat the question? I can't hear you.
Yeah, can you hear me, Jasprit?
Yes.
Yeah, Jasprit, how do you rate Joe Root's innings? And when you bowled to him in England 2018, compared to that now, did you notice any change in his approach?
It's very difficult to compare because when we were playing in England, the ball is different, the wicket is different, the ball does a lot more. And over here, obviously, he's come from Sri Lanka. He's had good innings behind him as well. He played very well. He was sweeping and reverse sweeping. He was while playing the spinners, I noticed that he was staying low and trying to read the trajectory very quickly. So yeah, full credit to him. He played a very good innings, and yeah, there's no difference that I noticed from 2018 or 20 or 21 right now because it's two different arenas and two different situations.
Deepak Raghav.
Yes.
What do you think will be the ideal first innings coach would like to restrict them, and how do you think the wicket will change in the coming days? Will it help bowlers in terms of spin? Do you think there is chance that because we didn't see much today?
Yeah, it didn't spin a lot today, but it's difficult to assess. Till both teams have bowled, then we can make a call on how the wicket would change up. We can assess the wicket as soon as possible. Tomorrow, our main purpose is to create more chances and create more pressure. And then we will see session by session, one day at a time, that how the wicket is changing, and then we could adapt to the wicket and probably make any changes to the plans if there need to be.
Final two questions now. Rohit and followed by Sunandan sir.
Yeah, hi Jasprit, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, this is Rohit from Trick News. Jasprit, wanting to talk about your own performance. It was exemplary today, but this was probably your first match, so wanted to understand from you what was different, like what you do outside India and what you have done in this match, because you took 3 wickets, so this was a special effort from you.
Look, for me, I've played in India. This is not my first match in India. Yes, first test match in India. I've played first class cricket. I've played heaps of cricket in India, and I'm from India. So it's not completely alien. I do know what to expect on Indian wickets. Yes, the wicket was on the flatter side. We were able to create pressure. I was happy with my own performance today, but still the job is to be done. And then right now my main focus is how do I help the team tomorrow, and what can I do to create more chances and give the breakthroughs that are required for us.
Yeah, final one. Sunandan sir.
जसमीत, जैसा आपने बोला कि पूरा क्रिकेट आप इंडिया में खेले, फिर इंडियन टीम में आगे आए तो पूरा क्रिकेट इंडिया से बाहर खेले और पहला टेस्ट मैच इंडिया में खेल रहे हो, कोविड सिचुएशन है, बॉल मेंटेन नहीं कर सकते, विकेट फ्लैट है, इतने सारे जब
ये हो जाते हैं, अपने आप को कैसे समझाते हो यार कि फिर भी दम लगाना है, बॉडी की जोर से करनी है?
मैं खुद को हमेशा यही कहते रहता हूँ कि अगर बॉल नहीं डालोगे तो विकेट कैसे लोगे। मैं हमेशा फुल एफर्ट देने की कोशिश करता हूँ एंड इंडिया के लिए टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलने से ज़्यादा बड़ा मोटिवेशन मेरे लिए और कुछ नहीं है कि मुझे जब भी मैचेस खेलने मिलते हैं ये बेस्ट फॉर्मेट है और मेरा फेवरेट फॉर्मेट है। सो मेरे को एक्स्ट्रा मोटिवेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है। मैं जब भी कोशिश करता हूँ मैं अपना बेस्ट देने की कोशिश करता हूँ एंड उसके बाद जो रिजल्ट्स आते हैं मैं एक्सेप्ट कर लेता हूँ, बिकॉज इससे ज़्यादा आप कर नहीं सकते। अपना बेस्ट देते हो एंड अगर कोई चेंजेस करने होते हैं प्लान में आप एडवाइस लेते हो एंड ऐसे ये सब दिमाग में रख के आप आगे बढ़ते हो।